May tanong po ako, alam niyo po ba yung agarwood? Ay, agarwood is a dark, fragrant, resinous wood that forms in Aquilaria trees when they become infected with a specific mold. So ito po ay isang puno lamang po na kapag nasugatan ay nagkakaroon po or nagpo-produce po sila ng oud oil na nagiging pabango po and very expensive po siya. So bakit ko po kayo nasabi? Ang ating pong title for tonight ay Every Detail Counts, and God is working in your story. And sabi po sa Romans 8 verse 28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Amen. A little background lang po about this Romans 8:28. Romans po is written by Apostle Paul, and he wrote this epistle po to the Church of Rome. This church was made up of Jews and Gentiles struggling to live together. They face tension, misunderstandings, and questions like, who really belongs to God? Am I truly accepted? And in the middle of all that confusion, Paul writes this powerful message: God is still working even when things don't make sense. Amen? So, have you ever had a season in your life po na where no matter how much you prayed, it just didn't make sense? Yung akala mo tuloy-tuloy na okay na lahat, pero yun pala biglang may delay, biglang may nangyari hindi mo ine-expect. Amen? Minsan makapatanong ka na lang, Lord, nasaan ka sa part na to? Nandito ka pa ba? And tonight, I want to remind you, kahit hindi nag-make sense ang life, si God still makes sense. And point number 1 po, God is working even when you don't see it. Ito ko po, God is working. Sinabi po doon na God is working. Hindi sinabi na God already fixed everything. Just because you don't see movement doesn't mean God is not moving. Even when it feels messy or painful, God is working in your story. Amen. And point number 2, God transforms pain. Hindi lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin ay maganda, pero God can bring good out of it. Amen. Kagaya nga po nung agarwood, di ba? Even when nasugatan siya, may napuproduce doon sa pain na kanyang napagdaanan. Amen? Yung part ng buhay mo na gusto mong itago ngayon or nag-i-struggle ka, baka yan yung part na ginagamit ni God to produce something beautiful. Amen? Yung part na nasasaktan ka, yan yung nagiging source ng pinakamabang sa life mo ngayon. Parang buhay natin minsan, yung wounds natin, God is producing something beautiful sa loob natin. Hindi lang basta pain, hindi lang basta problema, but there is something greater. And point number 3, your life has a purpose. For those who love Him, sabi po dun sa verse, who are called according to His purpose. Lahat naman po tayo dito ay love natin sa Lord, amen? And we are called according to His purpose. And if you love God, your life is not random. Amen? Let's claim na hindi aksidente yung mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. Hindi sayang yung paghihintay mo, hindi sayang yung sakit mo. God has a designated purpose for you even in your pain. Amen? And sa application po natin, sa what to do when things in life doesn't make sense. Number 1, continue to trust God even when you don't understand. Hindi mo kailangan maintindihan lahat ng nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, pero continue ka lang mag-trust kay God. Amen. Number 2, stay connected to Him. Don't walk away, stay closer and closer to God. Number 3, believe that your pain has purpose. Your wound might be where God is weaving the most beautiful part of your story. Alam niyo po, so honestly, itong verse na to, nag-work talaga siya sa akin. Kasi in my life right now, I am struggling really dun sa life ko ngayon. May mga bagay pa rin sa buhay ko ngayon na hindi ko fully naiintindihan, pero mas pinipili ko pa rin magtiwala. Kahit hindi ko pa nakikita yung ginagawa ni Lord, I know and I believe that God is working. Kahit yung mga confusion sa life ko ngayon, I know and I believe that God is weaving something beautiful. Meron po akong verse po dito. Every detail in your story matters. Every delay, every heartbreak, every challenge, God is weaving it for your good. Kaya yung title natin is Every Detail Matters po. Romans 8:28. And we know that in all things, God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. So let us continue to trust God that even when life doesn't make sense, God is actively weaving every detail of our lives for good and for His purpose. Amen. Yun lang.